Matt, what are you doing?
I'm just standing here.
Why are you standing?
I'm just standing.
What are we going to talk about today?
Right in, on top of, in.
I mean, they already saw the title, so they know what's happening. What's happening?
Well, I'm wearing a 350Z as pants.
What kind? Is it? Oh.
It's a new 350Z. But this one is a little more special.
I can see that. You just jump all over it.
This is the new used and abused drift car that I bought from over in California and took a month to ship because no one wanted to ship it apparently. So it is a 350Z that is a little bit faster than my current car.
Why is it faster, Matt?
It adopted 2 extra little holes in the block that have 2 little cylinders in. Come on.
Come on, man! Don't do this to us now.
Oh God.
He's still learning how to open his own hood.
I don't know how to do this.
Wait, I just installed it set. I know how to do it. That one's good. You just gotta like that.
Oh, that, okay. See, still learning. I don't even know the car. Yeah.
Well, you don't know the hood hinge, but yeah.
I don't know the hood hinge.
Whoa!
So there we go. We got a dusty old LQ9 iron block 6-liter V8.
That looks like a party in there.
It's gonna be a party all over.
What kind of intake?
Tubular.
No! That's definitely not a truck intake.
No, it's not. I don't know. It's probably some like off the shelf, like what 4-inch intake. I had this intake filter on my Civic.
The same one?
The bigger one. I was that guy. Yeah. So I think just like eBay fans.
That's a massive radiator. This is really cool because I'm really excited about that in my car.
I'm happy that the radiator's AN lines.
Yeah.
So that'll be nice. All fuel AN lines.
Let me get it. Now we can see. AN lines.
Yep.
That's better. No leakage.
Yeah. So some plans for the motor. Probably pull it. It needs a transmission because I believe either input or output shaft was broken on this transmission. So I have a new CD09 ready to go in. So gonna do that first. Get it driving, and after that, probably drive an event or 2 on it. See what it needs. Then pull it. Do like cam, valve spring.
Did it have a cam? Did it have any power adders at all?
I'm not sure. I don't know. Tuned on 100 octane. That's probably a big bonus. Yep.
That's amazing.
I was gonna take it off. I'm thinking about taking it off.
You should go E85.
I think I'm gonna go 85, but I think I might go like the correct ED5 and get like barrels from either like Ignite or like VP,
so
something like that. Do like a very consistent fuel. Pay a little bit extra because 100 octane is $9 a gallon from the pump, conveniently down the street from my house. But still, that's a lot of money.
How much is E85 right now around here?
I paid $1.78 or something, $1.80 last time I filled up per gallon, which is extremely cheap, and that was for like 80% is what it was reading. 85% is what it was reading, which is high.
So it's pretty exciting. Let's see the rest of the car.
Yeah. So for the braking, I'll probably get rid of the brake booster and everything because I hate when I'm left with braking and I run out of brake booster. So run like a boosterless setup, do all lines, everything, so I don't have to worry about losing brake pressure. It's on stock brakes, so I'll probably go to Brembo setups. It's inline hydro right now. I'll go to dual caliper. Basically the same kind of braking setup on the current 350Z I have because I love the way that feels. So in the back,
the party.
So
it's partied.
It's partied, yeah. The gentleman before me had a fantastic time with this car.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
So I'm trying to continue that dream. So it's tube rear. The whole cage was done by him.
It's pretty nice looking back here.
Yeah, I do like it. The exhaust is like beautifully cut right there and turned down, and it's right there. It happens.
You know what I really like about your exhaust?
What?
It's after the fuel cell and it won't catch it on fire.
So what I probably will plan on doing, I was just talking with Mark about this, probably try and drop the fuel cell down a little bit, probably down and move it back, just to get the center of gravity a little bit lower in the car, and more of the weight over the rear wheels just for a little bit more grip.
Yeah, it's cool. It also has a rear firewall.
Yep. Rear firewall is, at least here, is required.
Yep.
And I believe some people, they'll do like a small firewall over here to seal with the window, but this completely seals off the rear side, which I kind of like better.
It's like legit.
And plus, I'm never looking back out of my rear view mirror, which it doesn't even have a rear view mirror. So there's that.
Tell me about your sunroof.
Adaptive sunroof. These cars do not come with sunroofs, but this has one. So
that's cool.
Yeah, I don't know if he cut it out to do the cage in the top. He said, when I was talking to him, he did say it helps get rid of a lot of smoke from the interior, because when you cut for over fenders, he cut all around here so all the smoke can go in the cabin. So it should suck out here. I'm thinking about doing some sort of just big sheet metal panel that I can bolt on, so if it's ever like in the rain or anything, I can have like a sunroof at least for that.
We can also seal that quarter panel thing with great stuff. That's what I did in my car. It works fine.
Yep. So that's that.
And then the interior. Oh man, there's a lot going on in here.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the door bars though. They're like real tight.
Yeah, they're comfortable. It's easier to get into my car.
Yes, I hate your car. I really dislike. I dislike your car. It's really hard to get.
But it fits with stock door panels and everything. I just have to trim them.
Oh yeah, yeah. This one doesn't have anything.
So this seat is like, it sits like really low and far back. So I have a lot of headroom and a lot more room. But probably some things I'll probably change. Probably move the handbrake bracket over here. Obviously run a dual caliper.
That's the same handbrake you have in your other
It's the same one, yes, except for the handle's different. I run like a bike grip on it.
Yeah.
And mine's dual caliper. And it's set more here, which is what I like. So it'll be pulling towards you. This one kind of pulls in this direction. So that's
we can move it. Yeah. I have a welder now.
Yeah, you're going to move it for me.
And then that shifter, we're gonna move it back.
I'm gonna relocate it
back to where it goes.
Yeah, forward more.
It's just that bracket that I think Taylor or Adam has.
Yeah.
Somebody.
So move that forward. This will just be the meantime, because I don't want to be throwing all the way back.
Yeah. What is that screen thing?
This is a digital dash that I don't think is even hooked up
right now, but I mean that's pretty cool because it reads everything.
I'm still getting stuff out of the car that I don't even know. Oh yeah, he gave me a t-shirt.
Oh, tight.
Yeah, so I forgot. This is the first time I've seen the car pretty much since I bought it over a month ago. So I'm checking everything now and I'm finally finding stuff. I got a sweet t-shirt.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm still finding out a lot of stuff about this car, and I will find out a lot more and see what I need to change. It's going to change a lot from now until it's ready, so I'm going to use it for Pro-Am. I think first one is May 4th, so that's kind of like my deadline where this thing needs to be ready to rock, ready to go. I'm still debating, like, do I swap wise fab over to this, because this says PBM on it now, so do I swap wise fab over, do a new angle kit, just run it PBM? We'll see how the car is and reacts, and who can help out with the build, and see where we go from there.
Do those party switches over there work?
These party switches, yes, they do work.
They do? Does it
I gotta turn on the main party switch.
Does it make noise? Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, that's fire. That is really bright. Look, it's messing with the camera. Look at how bright that is. Look at the back. Holy crap. This is amazing. Why are they so bright?
It's a party car. Why? They're like industrial construction worker truck.
Like professional stuff.
Lights that he put in. He said he was like, I want them for an event. Put them in last minute, and I thank him for that.
All right. Does it start? Does it roar?
I don't know. Hopefully, I didn't kill the battery from
all those lights
from playing with them. So.
Ooh, full pump. I feel like it sounds a little canned.
That probably, I don't know.
It definitely has to. It has to have a cam.
It sounds mean.
Yes, it does. It sounds good. It smells even better.
Woo! It smells good.
I wish my car smelled like that. Poop. Dude, I'm super excited for this build.
I am too. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be stressful. It's gonna be expensive, but it's gonna be an overall great time.
And now you're gonna make it your own. It's gonna be beautiful.
Sure. Oh yeah, and of course we gotta wrap it. And you gotta do delivery.
Wait, why you gotta ruin that? I'm gonna bleep that out so they can't actually hear the color.
All right.
And then one day they're gonna be like, "What will Matt wrap his car?"
People will like read my lips. So if you want to follow this build, I'm gonna be building this car. Marco's gonna be a huge help to getting this car running, driving, and slaying on the track. So go ahead and like, subscribe, follow us both on Instagram, Drift Happy. Oh Jesus, I messed that up. Drift Happy TV, Matt the Ginge.